Hello class. Your assignment for the week is to learn how to do the cycle for speed stacking. So far, we've learned how to do the 3-3-3 and the 3-6-3. We've been using both hands to stack all of our stacks, the 3 or the 6. Quick review, when we're doing the 3-6-3, we're up stacking 3, starting from this side or this side, doesn't matter which side. Stacking the 6 using the 3-2-1 method. 3 cups in one hand, 2 in the other, leaving 1 on the floor or the table. Alternating hands to put them up, and setting up your last 3. Now I cannot take this one down. Remember, you have to go back to the beginning, taking that down, sliding apart, putting it in the middle, 2 hands always, taking down. That would be the 3-6-3. Starting with your hands on the table, ending with your hands on the table. Now, when we do the cycle, we're going to add a couple different elements. First, you're going to do the 3-6-3, stacking up, up, back to the beginning, taking down, down. Now this is where it changes. You're only going to use one hand to grab these 3 cups. With your other hand, you're going to grab 2 cups off the first stack, and we're going to go into another 6 stack. So we went from a 3-6-3 to a 6-6. When we take this down, we're going to divide them, use these cups to take down the other stack, put them all in the middle. Now we have 12 cups in one stack. We call this the 1-10-1 because we now have 1-10-1. Notice how I have 1 cup that I've tipped upright and 1 face down. The reason I did that, you'll see in a few minutes, is to take them down correctly. Now you're going to take 5 cups in one hand, 4 in the other, and leave 1 on the table. We're going to alternate hands to build a 10 stack. In order to do this, you have to have 4 cups on the bottom, and then as soon as you get your 4, you put the next cup in the middle. We're going to build around this just as if we were going to build a 6 stack. Once you have it built all the way up, now to complete the cycle, we're going to take this down and end up with a 3-6-3. You're going to pull towards the cup that is upright. You're going to go down all the way with that hand. This one's going to knock these cups down. And then we're going to pick these cups up and go the opposite direction and set them down. You'll notice that we have 3, 6, 3. I'm going to go through that one more time for you, a little bit faster. So 3, 6, 3. Building them up, just as we've learned before. Down, down. Using one hand. 6 stack up. 6 stack up, so we have our 6-6, taking them down, using the first stack to take down the second stack, putting them all in the middle, splitting them apart, 5-4-1 method. Now, down, hands back on the table. Feel free to review this video multiple times to make sure that you're doing it correctly. Also, feel free to check out the website, which is speedstacks.com. I'm sure they have multiple tutorials for you to look at to help you complete the cycle just as quick as I did. You will not be able to compete next week until you are competent in the 3-6-3 as well as the cycle. So make sure you practice up, and we'll see you next week.